Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of the camera in this device. For this, open the camera. So now you can see the aspect ratio of this camera, you can see here, right? So I will show you how to change this one. So open the camera interface and swipe down like this. Otherwise tap on, just swipe down like this. Otherwise tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right side. So here you can see the aspect ratio 1:1, 4:3, 16:9 and full screen. So if you select the option 1:1, now you can see the aspect ratio you can see here. If you select the 4:3, now you can see 16:9 like this. If you want to view this one in full screen, select the option full. Now you can see. So simply in this way you can change the aspect ratio of the camera in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.